Hello guys, welcome to another quick Tailwind CSS tutorial. Today I'm going to recreate this tweet from Elon Musk. I have an embed version of this tweet from platform.twitter.com. So this is the original and I have zoomed in a bit so you can see better. So I'm going to recreate this in Tailwind Play. So let's see how much closer I can get to the original one. I will try to not use any custom CSS. I will try to use Tailwind original CSS as possible. So let's see how I can recreate this. Okay, I will start by adding a border to this div. So I have this basic setup here, so it comes in center. We'll be making a border with some width. We'll be adding, sorry, let's add class first and then width full, and then let's set a max width XL and add a border. Yep. I will make the border gray as closer to the original one. I think this one, let's see. Okay, let's go to the original. It's bit 300. Yep, that looks fine. Now let me add a padding as well. That's fine. There's little bit padding top and bottom. So even this border is have this padding, so I think I can add this padding globally. Yep, p3 would be fine. I think I will add a rounded XL. Check again. Yep, this looks fine. Maybe I will just do 2XL so that the height increases. Should look good. So I will be making the top bar now. Let's make the top bar. So actually the top bar has three elements, like this first image and then this text and the tweet on the right side. So let's see. I will add by adding a flex, and then inside I'll be making 3 div inside this. The first one is for image, so I have this image here. Okay, I have got this image. Let's add a class rounded full. Yes, well, that looks fine. I am adding one more div inside this. And then another div for the username. I'm going to wrap it in a span tag because there's going to be one SVG like the verified batch. So let's see if I can copy this. This is the SVG. I'll be pasting that here. Format this. Okay, so this is fine. And for the SVG, I think I will add a class W4 and W6 maybe. Yep, H6. That's fine. I have two span here. I will add flex to this as well, and I can also add a bit of space X3, now 2. I think that's fine. I think I also need the same spacing here as well. So let's see how much I should need the space. Yep, this is fine. It's actually a bit closer. I think one is fine. And then let's see the color. There is already some class. I think we don't need this. Just delete it. Okay, there is no color, I think. Only the path is there. I will just add a color to this span tag. Or even I think I can add to this SVG itself. Let's see if it works. Class text blue 700, and then yep, that's fine. But this blue is not same. I think let's see if we can find the colors from the palette. Blue 400. Yep, bit change I think. Let's see if I have any special colors here. Yeah, I think this light blue colors will be a great option. I will add it in the config file. I have this gray. Maybe I can just change the blue to light blue. Let's see after this compile. Yep, now still not the exact color. Maybe I'll just go with 500. Yep, this looks better right now. Yep, looks fine. Now this text needs to be bold. I'll just add font bold. That's fine. And the bottom text need to be a little bit gray. So this class should be text gray 500. So that looks fine, and we have this text for the tweet. Let's see if I can copy from here. This SVG. paste it. I think I can also remove the classes from here. Okay. But it's not appearing here. I think it's in different color maybe. So because of the color, so I will just add the same color treatment here. Yep, that's fine. I think the size is also good. The only thing we need is this to be on the right side. So see if I can ML auto. Does that work? I think it's not working. Maybe okay, I think it's because we already have this margin using this SpaceX. Let's see if I delete, it goes in the right side. So maybe I think I can add margin here as well. So let's see. MR2. So that's fine. So we have this Twitter. Let's see the alignment. Yep, I think we need a little bit more spacing on the both sides. So let's add a padding for this div here. So we already have this P3. I think I should make this PY, and then PX should be P5. So this looks fine for now. So this part is done. Now the main part. Okay, copy. Let's make another div here. Just paste it. Yep, this looks fine. Maybe the text is a little bit big. Okay, so I think maybe we can add, so inside this div I will just make this a paragraph, and below that another paragraph for the text. Oops. Okay, so that's fine. Maybe I'll just increase the okay text. This is the base. I think this is fine. A little bit big. I think that's good. And I also notice this spacing is a little bit too much. So let's see if I can reduce that as well. So we have this div here and div here. Let's see if I can use leading none. No, I think I should add this. Yep, I think leading 4 is fine, I think. Yep, this is fine. Now coming back to this div, we need to add some padding. Let's see. That's fine, I think. And for this text, I think should be same as this one. Yep, this looks fine for now. Then what we have left is this icon here. Let's copy this icon as well. So here is the SVG. I think we also need another div for this flexbox here. I just add the SVG. Copying this inside here. Then the text needs to be, I will just add also the width and height and fill color here. And delete this class. Oops. Delete. I have deleted the class. Okay, then we'll just make this flex. Okay, now the same treatment, ML auto. Okay, so I have got this idea from Bootstrap actually. In Bootstrap navigation, they use ML auto class to make the navigation on the right side and the logo on the left side. So it's a pretty good feature. Otherwise, we have to use something like space between, justify space between, something like that. But ML auto will just do like this. So the color is also a little bit faded. I will just add the same here. Oops, sorry. Class equal to. Okay, I think this is stroke. That's why it's not working, because we have added the fill here. Oh, okay. I think it's fill only. Maybe let's see. Okay. Let's try to format this document. Let's change it to 300. Let's see if it's working. No, it's not working. Let's see. Oh my god, what did I do? I just added this class for this paragraph tag. That's why it's not working. I think I can add the class here up. Let's see. Okay, let's see if it's working. Yep, this is also fine. I think we'll get back to 500. So let's see if I can format it. Yep. So that's fine, I think. Okay, this part is done. Maybe then the next part will be these three links. So the likes, comments, and the link to the tweet. I will just add another div. So we have this flex div here. This is our main. We have to add it here. In this div, we can make it flex. Inside we need 3 div. Okay, here we need 3 icons and 3 text. So let's start with 783.9. Yep, and copy link to tweet. Yep, that's fine. Now I can copy these icons. SVG, one, the second one, and the third one. That's fine. Now let's also copy these classes here. Okay, I think we already have this class. We'll just copy. We'll just paste it. That's fine. I think we also need all these div should be class. Make it flex as well. And then we also need base x2 is fine. Then we also add a space here. The space is little bit too much. So let's make it 5. Yep, this looks fine. And I will also make the text color text gray. Then I have to add the fill color. Just add here. That's it. Yep, that looks great. Only thing we missed is the border top. So let's add that. Border top, and then the color. Maybe I think we can use the same color. Border gray 500. No. Okay, I think 300 looks good. Yep, that looks good to me. And only thing is the spacing. I'll just make that top space to empty. Oops, sorry, should be PT. Okay, PT3. This looks fine. Let's compare once again. Yep, looks fine to me. Okay. So yeah, I think that's it. It looks good. It looks good to me like this. It's almost fine. I think maybe one thing I missed is a little bit spacing here. So let's see if I can add that spacing here. Maybe I think just add PT3. Oops. PT1. This looks fine to me. This looks perfect. Okay, so that's it. Hope you learned something about the Tailwind CSS. So I'm also making a library of Tailwind CSS components. Like here you can see it's web3templates.com/components. I will leave a link below, and I will also share this. We'll also share link to this playground as well. You can just check the source code, and you can also see the components I am making here. So make sure to check out. It's free for now. So that's it. I think, okay, that's it. Let's see in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.